So starting the test drive in the GLC 43 Coupe here. Pretty good sound acoustics in here. The only thing I can hear right as of now is the license plate I have in the back. I should have screwed that on, but forgot my screwdriver today. But anyways, other than that, very good. Just overall sound quality in the cabin. I don't hear anything rattling around. I don't hear anything squeaking. So pretty impressive. Of course, an $80,000 Mercedes-Benz, so I'm assuming that customer will expect that. But for this to be the AMG Sports Coupe as well, just an impressive overall package in my opinion. And even though this is the sportier version of the GLC, still a great ride. And it helps to have the adjustable suspension. But I'm in sport mode now. And still quiet unless I give full-on throttle. So I'll give it a little pull here. Nobody's behind me. And just a great sound from the vehicle. Got a little tunnel action there too. Probably a little hard to tell because the windows are up, and again, the sound acoustics in here is still great. So it's gonna keep that sound from overtaking the ambient feel in the cabin. But again, a great driving vehicle nonetheless. It's fun to drive, very smooth. I'm gonna put it into the manual mode now. And I like that it gives you suggestions based on your throttle response, like, hey, you should shift into 7. Hey, you should shift into 8. And when I downshift, it'll tell me again, you probably shouldn't do that, but whatever. And I just love the brake pedal feel too. It's you get that initial bite, but it doesn't necessarily jerk you. But I'm gonna put it into Sport Plus now. And again, the sound that you get, especially with the exhaust enabled, just incredible. And it does shift pretty quickly. And the shifts, of course, of this transmission tend to be snappy. And it prides itself in being that. But I want to give a huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz of Music City for allowing me to review this GLC 43 today. They have a pretty good selection, if you can get them, of Mercedes-Benz's. But again, even in the sport mode or sport plus mode, pretty quiet in the actual cabin. You can hear the exhaust, but just great sound acoustics in here. And very quick. But let's put it into the comfort mode now for the rest of the drive. And again, in comfort mode here, just cruising. This stretch of the interstate is pretty, well, it's not the interstate, but it's state highway. Pretty bumpy going over this huge bridge here, but still very comfortable doing so. And for this to be on 21-inch wheels, road noise is pretty minimal. And it's just an impressive sports coupe. But with all this being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 Coupe.